Let's try and make that using only 5 ingredients. To make the lava, mix together some water, a few drops of red food coloring, and just a few cups of oil. While we wait for that to cook, you can now pre-order my official cookbook. Just scan that QR code to get your copy. And there you have it, lava chicken. That's the greatest chicken I've ever had.
Lava, chicken. Steve's lava chicken, yeah, it's tasty as hell. Ooh, mama, ring the bell. Crispy and juicy, now you're having a snack. Ooh, super spicy, it's a lava attack.
E se ti dicessi che questo è il pollo di Minecraft?
Lava, chicken. Steve's lava chicken, yeah, it's tasty as hell. Ooh, mama, now you're ringing the bell. Crispy and juicy, now you're having a snack. Ooh, super spicy, it's a lava attack.
Come piace, Tani?
Lava, chicken.